Hey everybody, welcome back to Stack Snacks. It's been a long time. We are back, and today we are going to get into Gemini's new image editing model and what we can do. There's been a lot of posts lately about their new model and what some of their capabilities are, and it's finally now out in the Gemini app and I believe on Google AI Studio. We could start trying to see what we could do with this, right? So some of their examples here are reimagine this person as a matador, an artist, 90s sitcom. Okay, I like that. Blend photos together. Okay, it's interesting. It's going to be scary, but take an empty room, paint the walls, and then add bookshelf. So it feels like it's like almost Photoshop, just prompting like you would if you wanted to edit an image. Some of these examples are pretty wild. Okay, so it is in my Gemini, so let's get into it and let's see what we can do here. So I'm in the image thing. I don't think I need to do anything else. And I do have a very terrible selfie of myself, which I save for moments like this. Imagine this person as a soccer player. Okay, so let's see what that does. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks like a mugshot. Okay, so it goes pretty quick, and all right, let's get this bigger. It's got the beard right. Can I zoom in? All right, made me captain. That's cool. Oh wait, no, I can't really zoom in. Let's see if I open this up in a new window. Can I look a little old, but it's a cool photo. All right, so let's get back into, let's see what else we could do here. That went pretty quick, so let's do a couple more. Reimagine this person as, all right, I can't seem to spell reimagine. This person as, all right, let's see if I need to do a whole new prompt. This person as a guest star on a 90s sitcom. We'll take one of the examples from the blog post that we just saw. Okay, that's not me. So maybe after you make a generation, you got to do another one. That's a pretty good fake 90s sitcom star. All right, let's just do another one. Let's upload the bad selfie. Can you reimagine? Why can't I reimagine this person as a 90s sitcom actor? And again, you got to give it credit. This is a bad selfie. Look at this. That's bad. I'm sorry, everybody. All right, this one's taking a bit. Let's see how it does. It's making me laugh. I'll give him that. This is making me think of something, but I can't put my finger on it. But this is pretty cool. Okay, so let's see what we could do if we do straight from an AI image and then edit an AI image. Can you create a main home with snow on the ground and the house is red? So no, we'll see if we can just create a house, and then we'll actually just see if we can change the color from the output. Or maybe add something to it. Okay, so let's try a kind of a multiple and see if it sticks with the same house. So let's see. Can you change the color to blue and add Christmas lights in the trees and maybe a person on the front porch? Because I think what they're promising is that it keeps some consistent themes in your images, but let's see if it, okay, yeah. The lights are there. Lights are a little weak, but I didn't give them much to work with. Person in the front yard. House looks blue. All right, that's pretty solid. All right, last test. This is just a picture of an empty room. So can you change the colors of the wall to a light yellow? This may or may not be the room I'm in, so let's see what it looks like. And it painted the walls yellow. This is, I think this is really good. I think this feels pretty far ahead of, I think, anything else out there. I don't know if anyone's had quite the edit capabilities that I've seen here. And I'm wondering, too, if there's going to be some way to use some of these images and then start off a VO3 video as well and get more customization maybe in your VO videos. But this is pretty incredible. I don't know if you get a couple free. Okay, they're gonna give a watermark to them, but I don't know if there's any free editing. I am on a pro plan. Yeah, I am on a pro plan. So there is that. So I'm not sure how many free generations are made, or if anybody. All right, you know what we could do? Oh wait, before we go, let's download this image. Let's open up a. Oh wait, let's go into Pro. And let's create videos with VO3. Let's add my soccer generation one. And can you create a video based on this image and make it, and let's say add crowd noise. All right, so let's see. All right, this is gonna take a couple minutes, so we'll pause for now. All right, I think we are done. Let's see what we got. I mean, pretty cool. A little awkward with the kicking if you look at the feet, but not terrible. Good crowd noise, good kicking noise. The creativity possibilities here are going to be pretty wide open here. So this was fun. Definitely check it out if you have access and play around with it. I think, yeah, I'm excited to see what people come up with, and I'm going to keep playing with it too because I think there's a lot of interesting stuff here. So thank you everybody for stopping by again. It's good to be back, and we'll see you next time.